Environment is the totality of both biotic and abiotic factors around an organism. An organism in its habitat that affects its activities. That is environment. Now, when we talk about environment, we are talking about things around an organism. These things can be living things, it can be non-living things, but these things influences the organism in its habitat. How they make the habitat either to be conducive for it or not conducive. So the organism itself is also affecting the environment. And that brings about the concept of ecology.